Hey, what's up, everyone? Bonus Aventus here, going over our December 23rd trade, where we did a little razzle dazzle of a trade. SPY took 378 puts, made 66% profits in 7 minutes. It was quick. It was a little bit dirty, but we still did it. We still made a little early Christmas gift here. So here's how we actually did it and what we were looking for. So first thing we're looking at is SPY. Early in the AM, we have this huge volatility. Goes down, then shoots up, then comes right back down. Now, my initial thought was that this thing was going to move down again. It would have another big red day. But I was a little bit concerned that this kind of shot up first. So I was more to the downside, but I was very hesitant, or I was going to keep pretty tight stops on this thing after I let the trade run. As far as profit taking, we were looking at this 378.5 area to take profits, and we wanted to do 378 puts. But really 379 or 380 puts would have been good too. Now, this trade actually did not work quite in our favor, and I will go over that right now. So this is the 1 minute chart on SPY. So first thing first, as you can see above, we alerted this live in our Discord every single time. We are not one of those traders who just use their trades in hindsight. It's all live. So I wanted to get these things off the open. We entered right here after it shot up a little bit, and it continued to move against us. We entered at 90 cents, and it went all the way to a low up here of around 65 cents. If it had hit 50 cents, or if it had hit this 381, if it had crossed this 381 area and held, I would have had to take a loss. But with these types of trades, sometimes you do have to be a little bit patient. Remember, this is only 4 minutes, 4 or 5 minutes in. But it did hold resistance here and then shot immediately down. Now I wanted to see it break this 378, but when it didn't, we took profits. I was a little bit sad. This exit wasn't that great. Should have had closer to 1.7, but we sold at 1.5 for 66% profits. It is what it is. I'm not always perfect, even though I always look perfect in the camera. But, a little bit of lunch money, early Christmas gifts, 7 minutes for 66% profit, we'll take it. As far as why I picked these levels, if we go to the monthly chart here, first things first, where was support? And it is around this 378.5 area. As you can see, it's touching all these little spots. And so that's the area you wanted to shoot for in terms of if you wanted to do calls, this would most likely be the spot. SPY did run up the rest of the day, but it was very choppy. Like holding through these big swings, that's tough to do. So taking profits while you had them would be the smart move. As far as resistance, yeah, this is the obvious one that we had on yesterday, 383, big resistance level. But we were not looking at the on the call side of these. Although looking at this area here, bunch of holds at 378.5. Yeah, we could have taken some calls here, but I called the day off early, as wasn't quite feeling it, didn't have a great sleep, and we had already made some money. That's all we got for today, guys. So like, subscribe, comment, follow us on Instagram and Twitter and TikTok and Christian Mingle, and we will catch you on the next video.